Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can stream from your GoPro to YouTube using the GoPro Python API and either FFmpeg or OBS. So depending if you want command line interface, but with little customization of the screen, you can use FFmpeg. But with OBS, you can add multiple cameras, webcam, images, video, and maybe even a song, and all of that. So it depends really on what you want the stream to look like. So first thing, I will use my GoPro Python API because I'm familiar with it, but you can, you don't really have to use it, but it's recommended. So in my Python API, there's a folder called examples, and in that folder there's streaming, which has two files you need. One is the GoPro Keep Alive, which will restream the GoPro live stream to localhost, and then you need youtube.sh and your stream key. So I'm going to show you how you can get your stream key. You go to your YouTube live dashboard, and you go to where it says configuration of configuration. It says stream key, and you copy that, and now I'm going to show you where you put it. So in streaming, there are two files. I have them over at my desktop, so you can go to youtube.sh, and what I've added here is for key, I get the contents of YouTube key file. This file exists on my desktop. I'm not going to show it to you, of course, because it contains my stream key, but I recommend you make one. The original script looks like this, and it says your stream key here. You can paste it there, but I have it permanently on my desktop, which is a really bad idea, but it's more convenient. So what you have to do is, once you're connected to the GoPro Wi-Fi, which I am, you can now run the GoPro Keep Alive script, which will start streaming to the machine, and now we can run the YouTube.sh file, and that will stream to YouTube. Now it will take a couple seconds to appear. There also appears to be a significant lag. I think it's something like 3 or 4 seconds, but it depends on your connection as well. I'm using Ethernet as well as Wi-Fi. So now we are live, and this is what my camera is pointing at. It's pointing at the floor. This is with FFmpeg, and this can be done programmatically. So you can start and stop streaming from a script, and you can also change the parameters in the file. So yeah, I mean, it's really simple to have this sort of setup because it's just two files you need to run. You can also add with my API a sort of 720p streaming and a higher bitrate. I don't have that activated because that will add artifacts to the video, which I do not want. So yeah, I think I'm going to stop the stream now and show you how you can use OBS to do this as well. And with OBS you can have other parameters. You can even have a webcam input. Okay, so now I'm going to stream again, but this time from OBS, I mean. So we just need to run the GoPro Keep Alive script again. Wait for the restreaming to happen. Okay, yeah, it's now happening. Now we go to OBS media source. I mean, it's media source, not scene. And so we just use stream. We don't want local file. We want the input is something like okay. That's the default port I have on my Python file, and it's here. So the good thing about OBS is that you can have multiple like overlays on top of each other. So right now I have this picture of the GoPro Hero 5 and live GIF and the GoPro preview at the same time. I also have my stream key put in there, so I'm just going to start streaming now. And it appears that we are live. Of course, someone's actually entering. I might be able to see who that is. Nope, it's pointing up. So yeah, you can see from here that we have all the GIF part here and everything. It's right there. So yeah, that's how you stream from OBS using a GoPro to YouTube. I hope this helps.